You know what it feels like when you're dreaming, but you're actually awake? This is it.
Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned how to get along. And so you're back from outer space. I've just walked in to find you here with that sad look on your face. Should've changed the stupid luck, should've made you leave the key. If I had known for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with pride? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? You know that I will survive. For as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I've got all my life to live, I've got all my love to give, and I'll survive. I will survive. It took all the strength I had not to fall apart. Kept trying hard to mend the pieces of my broken heart. And I spent oh so many nights feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but now I hold my head up high. You see me, somebody new. I'm not that changeable little person still in love with you. Now you felt like dropping in and expect me to be free. Now I'm saving all my love and cause the one who's loving me. For now go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hurt me with goodbye? You think I crumble, you think I lay down and die. You know that I will survive.
Это Влада Ильевский забил 3 очка.
66-65 protiv Makedonije.
And Lithuania have crashed out of the tournament. The Macedonians have shocked the tournament.
Makedonija! Raduj se Makedoniju! Makedonija! Raduj se Makedoniju!
Koji se rodio do tebe i život od dana za tebe. Jedno ime ima me, to duša mja donosi me, za tebe život dava me, o Makedonijo. Jedno ime ima me, to duša mja donosi me, za tebe život dava me, o Makedonijo.
Вие сте нашиот медал! И злато да ни дадете сега, не го сакаме, вас го сакаме!
Što napravite?
E pa da vi kažem сега što направихте. Я прославихте Македонија низ Европа.
Papa l'americano